Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Kids, first we use red color. Subscribe to our channel. First we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. Now we draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. And now we draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg. Kids, now we draw F. F for fish. Now we draw G. And the next one is H. The next one is I. Red color. I for ice cream. Now we draw J. The next one is K. Now we draw L. And the next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N for nose, N for nest. O. Now we draw O. The next one is P. Red color. Now we draw P. And the next one is Q. Now we draw R. S. T. U. The next one is V. V for vanilla. Now we draw W. And the next one is X. Y. And the last one is Z. The next one is numbers. Now we use the color of blue. First we use blue color. Now we draw the number of 1. The next one is 2. Now we draw 3 and the next one is 4. Kids, now we draw the number of 5. The next one is 6. Now we draw the number of 7. The next one is 8. And now we draw 9. The last one is 10. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching.